If you have a constant cough, whether it's dry or with mucus, this remedy can help stop it quickly. Tulsi is easily available at home and is well known for its benefits in cough and cold. But remember, Tulsi leaves should never be chewed directly, as that can be harmful. Wash 10 to 15 Tulsi leaves properly. Take an earthen pot, add 1 glass of water, and add the Tulsi leaves. Cook it on a low flame. Add a small piece of ginger, a piece of turmeric, and 2 black peppercorns. Boil for 10 minutes, then strain and drink. Tulsi is known for its ushna virya and kapha balancing nature, helping clear respiratory channels naturally.